Have you ever felt stuck in a never-ending cycle of financial struggle? Do you find yourself constantly asking, when will my financial situation improve? Well, today we have a secret to share with you that could change your life forever. Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to manifesting millions. You wake up one morning to find your bank account overflowing with money. The debt you once had is now completely paid off. You have finally achieved financial freedom. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if we told you that thousands of people have achieved this reality by simply repeating a few secret words? Stay tuned as we reveal the hidden power behind manifestation and how you too can manifest your millions. But before we dive into the secret words, we need your support. If you enjoy the content we create and want to be notified whenever we release new videos, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started on this life-changing journey. The law of attraction, as explained by renowned author Joseph Murphy, states that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to manifest our desires into reality. The key is to harness the energy of the universe by aligning our thoughts and emotions with what we truly want. According to Joseph Murphy, repeating a few words helps in manifesting money by creating a positive subconscious belief and removing any conflicts between the conscious and subconscious mind. When you repeat words such as wealth and success or meaty money consistently, especially before sleeping and during the day, it programs your subconscious mind with the idea of abundance. This repetition helps to build a wealth consciousness and align your thoughts and beliefs with the manifestation of money and abundance in your life. Let's explore the secret words that have helped countless individuals manifest their millions. The first secret word is abundance. When we repeat this word with conviction, we invite an abundance of wealth and prosperity into our lives. Imagine feeling an endless flow of money coming to you effortlessly, allowing you to live the life you've always dreamed of. The second secret word is gratitude. By expressing gratitude for the money and wealth we already possess, we attract even more abundance into our lives. Gratitude acts as a magnet for wealth, opening the doors to new opportunities and financial success. The third secret word is belief. To manifest millions, we must believe wholeheartedly in our ability to attract wealth and financial abundance. Our beliefs shape our reality, so it's crucial to replace any limiting beliefs about money with empowering thoughts and affirmations. The fourth secret word is action. While repeating the secret words is powerful, we must also take inspired action towards our financial goals. This could involve seeking new opportunities, investing wisely, or pursuing a side hustle. Remember, manifestation requires both intention and action. The fifth secret word is persistence. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your wealth. Manifesting millions takes time and consistent effort. Stay committed to your manifestation practice and stay focused on your end goal. Now, let's take a moment to integrate these secret words into our own lives. Close your eyes and repeat after me. Abundance, gratitude, belief, action, persistence. Feel these words resonating deep within you, bringing forth a wave of positive energy and empowering thoughts. You can make your own sentences from these words according to your manifestation goals. The key to success is to believe, and believe again. With each repetition, your conviction strengthens and your path becomes clearer. Embrace the power of perseverance and watch as your dreams transform into reality. Do write in the comment box, Which sentence you would like to affirm, say it loudly. Each day, remind yourself of the countless blessings in your life, big or small. Expressing gratitude not only acknowledges the abundance already present, but also aligns your thoughts with the abundance you desire. Success is not always measured by material wealth alone, but also by the richness of experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Banish thoughts of lack and limitation from your mind. Replace them with unwavering faith in your abilities, talents, and potential. Embrace the truth that you are a co-creator of your own reality, and that abundance is your birthright. Put your beliefs into motion by taking proactive steps every day towards your goals. Success rarely comes knocking solely through wishful thinking. By taking action, you not only prove to yourself that you are committed to your dreams, but also send out vibrations of determination and purpose into the universe. It is the unwavering resolve to continue on your path, even in the face of obstacles or setbacks. Cultivate a mindset that perceives challenges as opportunities for growth and development. With persistence, you can overcome any hurdle and manifest your desires. To supercharge the manifestation process, repeat these principles of abundance, gratitude, belief, action, and persistence 3 times a day. By consistently affirming and embodying these ideas, you strengthen the connection between your conscious and subconscious mind. These repetitive signals to the universe act as magnets, drawing towards you the circumstances, people, and opportunities that align with your desires. Embrace the feeling of abundance, knowing that you are worthy of attracting unlimited wealth and success. Express gratitude for every penny that comes your way. Believe in your abilities and the potential to manifest millions. Take inspired action, step by step, towards your financial goals. And above all, remain persistent in your manifestation practice, no matter the setbacks or challenges you may face. By consistently aligning your thoughts and emotions with these secret words, you will start to notice a shift in your financial reality. Opportunities will present themselves, unexpected windfalls will come your way, and the universe will conspire to bring you the wealth you desire. If you found this video valuable and informative, we kindly ask you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you'll receive regular updates on how to manifest your millions and unlock the secrets of the universe. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Share with us your experiences and any manifestation success stories you may have. Together, we can inspire and support each other on our manifestation journey. As we conclude, we want to leave you with a blessing. May the universe conspire in your favor, guiding you towards your desires and manifesting the millions you truly deserve. Believe in yourself, take inspired action, and the universe will respond abundantly. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, and may your journey be filled with love, prosperity, and unlimited possibilities. Thank you for watching.